Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download, install, configure MySQL Server 9.4.0 on Red Hat, that is RHEL 10. Okay, so first open any web browser, then go to mysql.com, then click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it, then click on MySQL community server. Then see here the latest release is 9.4.0. okay, then select the operating system Red Hat Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we have the RHEL 10. Select it. See, once we selected these options, it populated the list of the RPM packages. We have to download them, but instead of downloading them, we have to download and install them. But instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. Then click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 909 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar this tar file and we will install MySQL Server 9.4.0. okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 9.4.0. so extract this tar file, tar-xf, then give MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire bundle tar file. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Ctrl-L, sudo rpm -ivh -nodeps, then star.rpm. This command will install whatever the RPM packages are there in this downloads directory. Okay, so keep only MySQL RPM packages and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 9.4.0. See, we have successfully installed. Ctrl-A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server 9.4.0. sudo systemctl status mysqld. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. Hit enter. Now verify the same. See, MySQL service is active and running. Okay, Q2 quit, Ctrl-A. Now we have to connect to MySQL Server, but we don't have password of any MySQL user account. But we can get the MySQL temporary root account password by going to more/var log mysql d.log grep password. Hit enter. We have to run this with sudo. Hit enter. See, this is the MySQL root account password. Okay, this is not same for you. Now set the MySQL root account password permanently. Sudo mysql _secure installation. Hit enter. Then copy this password, paste it, hit enter. See, the existing password for user account root has expired. Please set a new password. So remember this password. Later we need this password. We have successfully set the password. Okay, now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password. See, you have successfully connected to MySQL Server 9.4.0. okay, Ctrl-A. You can also verify the same by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. Now verify the same. See, new database is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Now create a table. show tables. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user and connect. But before that, verify list of users, show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL dot user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully created. Let us verify the same. See, new user David is created. Ctrl L. Now exit. Now connect MySQL server with this new user MySQL -u, then new username, then -p, then provide the password of the user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged into the MySQL server with the user David. Okay. Now try to access the database that you have created. Use, then provide the name of the database. See here, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created a user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Ctrl L. Now exit from the current user. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 9.4.0 on RHEL. But the process is same on all RHEL versions. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. If you do without D, it won't work. See, failed to stop the MySQL because it is not loaded. So use the T at the end and hit enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL service is inactive or dead. We have stopped it 5 seconds ago. We took it Ctrl L. We can also verify the same by trying to connect to MySQL server MySQL-u root -p. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. See, we have successfully started. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL service is active and running. We took it Ctrl A. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL D. We have successfully restarted. Okay. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server from the most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBA on RHEL versions. Okay, we have successfully installed. So ls, these RPM files are not required anymore, so remove them. rm star.rpm, hit enter. ls, see here we have one more file, remove it also. rm mysql, press the tab to autofill enter tar file name, hit enter. ls, so we have cleared the space. So okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL server 9.4.0 on RHEL 10. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.